Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Widger. I am doing this video as a testimonial for Liberty Aid and the work of Jack McCaig. Here is a picture of me, my ID, Widger Dustin. Now, I opened up the Bulletproof Trust in Canada. You can, I'm just going to cover the numbers here. There's Proof Christian Ministries. Didn't say trust on there for some reason. But that's what it is. With the Bank of Montreal in Toronto here, I opened it up. That got in there, Christian Ministries Trust. I opened this up a few weeks ago, and I'm operating it. I have a debit card. I'm depositing grants, or clients of mine are depositing grants into the account. And now I have a tax-free business account. So I'm not going to go into deep explanations about this, but anybody that's questioning whether to get into Jack McCaig's work, whether it works, whether it's valuable, it absolutely is. It's crazy if you've never looked into this kind of stuff. If you're into the sovereign movement, you're trying to become free, this is the only work that actually works, that I've seen that he's proven that works, and that actually worked for me. So I believe I'm the first person in Canada to do this. So anybody in different countries that are not sure if they want to give this a shot, just try. Why not? I made a couple edits to the document just to make it equivalent in Canada, because it's for the US. But it was easy, and I made an appointment, called the guy up, or called the bank up, can I make an appointment to set up a trust. They were very friendly. I went down there, and yeah, it was straightforward. Just signed a few documents, and the trust was open. I couldn't believe it. It was such a shocker. Anybody new to Jack's work, it might be just crazy. It just doesn't seem real, and Jack might seem like a crazy person. Well, when you live in the world that we do, which is actually crazy, somebody speaks the truth, they're the one that seems crazy, because we're living in lies. So if you want to be under God's authority, this is what this trust is, and that seems crazy too. But otherwise, you're the default. You're under the legal name, under the satanic system. What a lot of people believe is satanic. It's definitely, the principles are there. It's lies, it's deceit, it's slavery, right? You don't have a choice whether you are taxed. You're a victim of the whims of the government of that day. There's no natural law. There's no true law. And the true law is do no harm, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. That is the law of the Lord Jesus Christ. And when you commit to that in writing, you're stepping into your true power. So I didn't have any debts or anything. This is work for people that have been in serious trouble. I got into it for the principle of being free and being able to operate an account tax-free, and also to build credit more efficiently, and to be yeah, just free with God, out of the system. It's a dream come true. So take a look at his work. Don't hesitate. Buy the Bulletproof Trust. Get started there, and I'm sure Jack can help you with any other questions you have. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Facebook. It's Dustin Widger. Jack's the guy to speak to on real serious stuff. I'll also encourage you to sign up for the mentor program. It's very affordable. But if you have basic questions, I'm more than willing to help answer those. So God bless y'all.